I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to show you how you can easily install the AWE carbon fiber intake into your BMW M3 or M4. All right, so let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it and we install this gorgeous carbon fiber system into this M4. Now, intakes, they can change the way your car sounds because you'll hear your turbos a little bit more. They can add a little bit of power, but also with a gorgeous carbon fiber system like this, they change the way it looks too. I don't know, with a system like this in my car, I'm gonna wanna have my hood up at events rather than closed. But this is a really simple install. I'm gonna walk you through the whole process. It takes a few simple tools, and as always, a reminder, everything you need will be linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But let's go ahead, let's jump in, let's get this started. All right, so one of the very first things we want to do is pull off these top plastic covers. You've got a series of quarter turn 10mm nuts here right at the top, so go ahead and turn those. You also have those little plastic rivets here on each corner, on each side, so go ahead and pull those plastic rivets out by pulling out or pulling up the center pin, and then these will come right off. Now, here on the positive side, make sure that you can take a rubber glove or something similar and put it over the top of your positive battery post right here. Last thing you want to do is touch that with tools or with your carbon strut bar as we take this off. But you're going to want to take those covers off on both sides. You can also take your vanity cover off just simply by lifting up. There's little rubber feet here on the bottom. Sometimes they can get loose and stick to the posts. So if you have one that comes off, go ahead and just pull it back off the post and push it back into your vanity cover. Go ahead and take this and set it safely aside. But we're going to want to take both of those covers off, and then we're going to take our carbon fiber strut bar off. So let me get that done, and then I'll show you what else also needs to come off.